guys, welcome back to our channel. Today Peter wanted to play around with a new lighting setup using his love, which is V-flats. So yeah, we're just having a bit of a play around, and the lighting is something totally new that he's never done before, and we're just going to run you through it and show you a little bit of behind the scenes of our shoot.
So I'm just going to take you through my setup and both the clothing changes and lighting changes. Just very quickly, this is just going through our setup. All I was doing is each time I shot was moving the V-flats in and out, closing them down. So you can see that we've got a bit of a vignette, but that's because of the V-flats are open quite wide. And as we go, you'll see that vignette came in there. So I brought the sides in tighter and pretty much blocked them off. We got to a point where I sort of liked it, and then we decided we didn't like our styling. So we tried a couple of different stylings, and the biggest problem we were having was that this skirt, the modelness and the leather wasn't going with anything else she was wearing. So we decided the bra was a thing. Then it was a matter of picking the bra. I didn't like the little Love Hardy thing on this. I definitely didn't like the cut and this sort of zigzag stitch. And I don't know, the bra just fit her. It looks like it fits horrible. So went off that, and we ended up going with this one because I think it's just neutral. It doesn't take my eyes off. If anything, all I'll do is I'll most likely take that clip out in Photoshop. I'll just have that run straight through in material, which isn't that hard to do. This is a finished styling and a finished setup. So if I just show you what we're shooting in between these two black V-flats. So they're not doing anything for the shot. It's what happens around this side. So during those shots, I was trying lights at all different heights and in close and back further. When I was in close, it got a little bit too, I don't know, it sort of brought her cheekbones weird. So by taking the lights back further, it uses a larger part of the foam to come in. So with this happening here and the sides where they are, we're just getting this sort of, we're not getting much off the sides because this is only flaring out to about there. So we are getting a slight downlight on her. So as we come back to where I want Beck standing, now you'll see that we have some black V-flats. So they're doing two jobs. Number one, they're putting that vignette on the back wall because they're stopping the light. The camera angle's coming out like this, but the V-flats are, this edge is putting that vignette on here and giving that sort of halo around Beck. The other thing it's doing is having black each side of Beck here, it's now chiseling her face and her nose better. As she came out through here, she ended up becoming very round in face. I don't know if you can see just with the gimbal, but so I'll swap this to Beck to try and get you to see. So as Beck walks it closer to this wall, see how her face gets darker. So that's the effect. So by putting the two black walls in there, if Beck walks forward a little bit, keep coming, you'll see it's very subtle, but see how the whole face started to glow? But if she takes one step back, you'll see along her cheekbones and her nose gets a darker edge. So that's what this setup is for. So now I've explained the lighting, we're now going to get the shot. All right, cool. That's cool, that's really cool. So I want that. This is more that quirky, Margot Robbie. Cool, cool, nice. Cool, all right, nice, cool. That's awesome. Now, just hold that pose for a second. I just want people to see your feet. That's why she's able to pull these faces. I think it's really important, and I say it all the time, what the feet do sets the mood for the whole body. Cool, cool. And we want something more light and fun and quirky with this. Cool. Lately, too much of our shoots have been a little bit too serious. Which could be my fault because I know Beck likes a Megan Fox look, and I might have been pushing that too much. Nice, nice. Cool. Oh, that's so cute. That's so dumb and cute at the same time. So now it's just a matter of you now overposing. I've never told you to overpose, do I? But this shot, I think it needs more. The quirkier you can make it, the better it is. Cool. Cool. And if you do it quick so you don't have time to think about it, the problem with doing quirky overposed pictures, if you ask the model to hold it, the longer they hold it, the more stupid they feel. So it's better just to let them move really, really quick, pulling stupid faces so they don't have time to think this looks dumb. This is very hit and miss, but the whole idea is to get that hit. Oh, that's I'm not letting Beck see these. I'm hiding these from Beck. I'll let you just go. So nice and quirky, cool. That's cool, that's really cool. So I shoot quick to get her moving quick, then it's up to me watching, very careful, just try and grab that split second. Cool. Try not to let her sit on any pose too long because Beck's been modeling for a long time.
Thanks.
Beck's sort of got like 40 years experience. No, but if I see the speed I'm shooting in now, you'll see, bang, I see the shot, she moves the second I've taken it, cool. But see how she's taking more time on the shot when I slow down. So, but I don't want to have time to think about the shots too much. Cool. That's cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. Cool. Nice. Nice. Cool. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Cool. Cool. That's really cool. I like that a lot. Cool, cool. I reckon we've got to have something.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that and my stupid overposing. If you want to see some other behind the scenes videos that we've done, I'll pop them up on the screen now.